person dead or living, who will it be? To come, chingum answer lemi yona le bafethu. Obviously bafethu park.
Yeah, phela. Upark bheka urishibishile. Aha.
Very what's your favorite movie to watch over and over again?
What's your movie?
Like my mama,
42 minutes. 42 minutes. This is Robbie Bentley. 42 minutes.
Yeah, my mommy.
Or the shooters. Shooters.
Stay tuned for the Gen Z's podcast with Daniel London. Yasho bafethu nani ngiyazi bafethu intwana yenu lo deni London umaswiti izinto ezimnandi 6 gani bheka bafethu sibuyile with another episode of Gen Z bafethu necaba we bring nothing but the best bafethu. So like vandag ngiphethe inja yami ivanga igama laka
yasho bafethu mina ngusithera bafethu
yasho bafethu ngiyabona ngiphethe usithera and shit vandag ninja yami leso shova ngendaba zani niyazi bafethu lokishi ikasi ngiyangithola like izinto esisifaceayo as abantu ababloma ikasi as youth ikhulela ikasi because like ziba izinto ezenzakala ikasi ngiyangithola. So like inja yami before soqala yonke into like wena ungazi introduce ngithola like share proper intro ngathi uyashela ngithola tshela mina ngubani ngithola
mina feel bafethu igama lami namampela ngithiyanga bafethu uDlomi Flux so ngifuna park like ngikhulela la vele yabo yeah so feel ngiyatholakala kuma Facebook TikTok uSithera Nova bafethu
thank you. So bafethu nani nezizwe sishare khuluma bafethu ngithola so like so khuluma ngani indaba zayikasi ezenzakalayo njalo ngithola
sure
so like njaya wena like ngisho cause wonke umuntu okholela ikasi unayo ridings ngithola udlule through sona no stage uke wa join ischeme
yeah macala uyazi mfisi uyabe ngitholakele ischeme ngithola like nami ngisasiphethe izinja zami
nami igama
siphethe ibheka isibanga igama lithi Khasano
so like njalo ngamtshela ukuthi ridings for wena iqale kanjani ukuthi uzithole seyikhasini
like mfisi ngayibika kanjani yazi mfisi masiphuma primary yabo ngina high school feel izinto like mina mfisi ngiploma imali lapha ke nasizintown ngithola manje umawali wamploma izintown uma crazy uploma imali lapha ngibamba manje lokuyimplo ngikayina kala yabo so feel kenze ukuthi grade 18 ngenzani ngiskema udino khona udino yabona umdeza mangiskema umdeza feel umdeza nawe kacabana nalezi zami
ezoploma na
ya izinploma nazo manje umdeza irente kaskam mina ngisuka nomdeza suka abantu umdeza siyasuka umdeza siya uMacabi ngithola ila feel okay ayicala lili sicala la ukufomana yabo la phezulu ya ngithola like ama group feel lili iloku yakhulu yabo mara feel la yaza ngithi la mfithu like ezinto like besaganga yabo besingakazibizi ngamakhasano wala besizibiza ngama-CC ngithola crazy criminal vandals ngithola
yabhekele
ngithola manje
dala zimoshekele
yabo ngaleza inkasi ya yama ngithola back then yabo I feel uya kwesikhathi la besasha vele umachi 8 because mangikhumbula grade libe usibuma itrinyana isi high school ezinye siyalandela ngibas primary thina mashakri izona shawuma G7 ngithola show feel ngenza abalini maseshaji naye aphela nosiyabona manje G9 sikhulu nam feel G8 since ngicala nyana kunkawa zabo ngithi mangisacala vele kunkawa za G8 ngihlangana neyami uJulius yabo ngihlangana yakala imambo kusinayo like vele bisi is like crew one mara sinabazwana like find one lento lokuthayi fair yabo yeah fair yeah ngitho ay uka umfithu sicale like ishisi like amfithu uka yabo mangiphumile naye ngiyangibona ngani spirit sami yabo nami izinto like ngani spirit sakhe ngithola I feedback ngacala ukuskimana nokawa ngithola cause ukawa fit like angncane into ezincanywayo
like we are relate
ngithola siya relate nokawa feel ngithola afika manje kube nalento ukuthina nami ngiyabona namachita aloku ayagcwala ngami ngithola siphethe nabo subs futhi izibhaya eziningi ngizisho ngamagama ngithola
Marabo phethe
izibhaya sure yangithola siphethe izibhaya futhi like into seyaqala man hayi man ngiyamtshela hayi man Jovis hayi yazi nale gama leli lethu lithi CCV hayi lilayi bisibekisela phansi leli yabo like akusigama eligrand futhi ngithola
mele no
phela sisi yabo if it was pizza isibhaya chili cheese yeah nayi beyida CCV yeah if it was pizza isibhaya sibaya
so like
isn't like feel sisiyabona ukuthi yazini mfethu CCV nesisiyachange
yeah
so ibiza ngani igama le Casanova suthi ngithama Casanova
so like cause mina le gama ngimamela uphake ngithola igama la Casanova ngihlezi ngilizwa la untango phaka alimenshini so like why nina nikhethele igama for kwenzeni isibize ngama Casanova
like njaya yambheke sincane ngishilo ngithola
ngama petitro
yeah vie khona lento le dlala Casanova izinto zo G8 government account ngithola iqala la siyabona into ekhaya manibheka manje
sizibiza
ngama Casanova yabo kanti sokuthi masizibiza ngama Casanova wise man begeleza iMoses leyo uchi mayigeleza iMoses shithi manje icabana nalezi zama Casanova zakhala akupruba ngithola akukawusebe yasitshela abafethu so nasizibiza ngama Casanova yazikhona inyuphu wami ngigeleza nazo zama Casanova sidawu serious mfethu sure hayi amfethu ubheka mfethu abokamele bashayile round yabo sihlangane yabo sure like isicabane anjami like bisincane ngisangeni elesibisa buya lapha then fika khumula grand before lockdown
leze ngate befama lockdown elesibidla abantwana
mfethu ubheka ke bibuza kithi njaya
so my Casanova kumele ushine
like yazi Casanova mfethu Casanova like besistasha kanjani uyazi like ithama Vandal ngoba ngazi ipathini sikushayela boma super ngithola yayibeha bush leagues like stretch bell 25 mfethu alisali navigate yangithola stracher izinto fit like wistila ngazo uniform
no so like mina ngifuna explain like uniform yakhona ukuthi like if ngihlangana nomjita ngithola angazi ukuthi like ngithi ngibeka umjita ukuthi wena ungamazi ukuthi Casanova for ukuthi uzombona bongambona ngane into ecacayo dale nova
like elesinja yami engasali elesinyama elesonke bishayina amathipsi yamthola yeah isn't like so ngitshela navigate navigate or stracher yamthola or spot vele super or phathaleni kaya yamthola yeah manje sozutshela lezi nazo zinzini lezi asile hayi feel zisuke elihayi vile sifuna uzobona la manova akayi prawa alize anje ambheka beshisa sikisafika ibhizi khona umfana like isn't like sifika first day manje
like ngihla first day ngihlangana nale
like first day sicale sahlangana nezi 2-3 nyana zakhona cause le anyone umzwitch inedlala kala kubi izintaba ngithola feel kube into enjani ukalo kwasitshela yazini bafethu engizoshayisana like nama Casanova wamampela ngithola yeah I feel njaya mazi kube into enjani feel akube lento lokuthi ayilezi zamanti vele ziyashayisana isathadi emashayisana mfethu phela mina imlo engibambile njaya mabumele mele ngasizibambele njana ama drinks nyana feel yabo sifana kusazirelaxela ziyawona kuwe ekhasi ngidala zenifana hayi angijali ngizokushaya ngikuma singathi yabo njaya mfethu uyibheka mangisaphumile ufika njaya uJovis yabo makufika njaya uJovis ingibizela ngaphandle khoza mfisi ngeke ngizoshova into ezikanje phambi kumele ngiyangibamba abheka mfisi ngiphumele ngaphandle imfisi bheka usahleli nomamasi izasiliya izila zivani super 16 abantwana nje macala mhlanya kakhulu avele uniform vele ngizithindile vele yamthola kabuhlungabi plus mina like bengincane ba different ukuze yamthola like zona mashami noma super mina ngishaya ikhavela yabo like ngingancane ukuthi like ukuthi nazo ya mina no program no Jovis hayi like bisiba different nyana yabo hayi ukuthi mina bengayiphakamiseli ukuthi ngishayile full attire elesi yabo at least maybe ngishayile ingazala khona le elesi udlele nekhavela udlele nenyinto yabo mara full time mina kuzongithola ngishayile ijizi ichini ikati yeah ngithola hayi program Jovis nyazi na izikhimlile nestyle asazo ngithola I feel mfethu kube into enjalo mfethu bheka utshela umele ngiyazwakala suya ukuthi ngiphume ebhayisini awu suya vele kule nto enjani aspire leyo bhayisini ayimbo angiphuma mangiyiwo nje yami ngabo macala ubufu ngisazwakala ngizwa nesamba
Super 16
mangiyobheka phakathi mfethu abongwana angibacafa ayizami zimile zisikhedlile nazo ngithola yo hayi machita yini lo khonta sebayabuza unova vele ngizobe zingibiza ngonova ne unova yasho hayilusi ngithola ibheka ithi lawo mfethu hayi sangene ekhipini yabo masingene ekhipini mfethu kuba into enjani siyayehla ngekasi ufana mangiyehla ngidlule ekasi lami ngicabanga umele mara phela ngithini ayikhozi namachita saseyekasi kumele ngizophinda ngiye kuyo yabo nombe uthi khamba asiyavaya amacala masiye kasi lami khona enyuvitisi enye macala ambi bayibiza ngoabosha yabo yani sisihonqo ngithola hayi saphuluma kayisho emfisa ukasi ngithola tusile yathola izinto like masimthola situsile sizimhlezi utshela mfethu amachita ahliza asikhindile yangithola nalabantwana basile bayabona lezi amanova asifridos Sishaya eles yangithola ya and davela amacala ababhaya abayazi ababhalile ka ungaliza imali sithela nenduku nje ya enakutshela
ngibenzile
ya izinto ayimfisu ukama simthola la nomeli wakhe like super 16 ngithi kushigo like uvawa uvulile like yangithola amawindi but then now yazi lokuyile into lezi amadili lezi ezamabhasi leziduma yabo ezamakhumvu yabo ya I feel mfethu aboka masifika la siyambuza nje yami ikhephi nje laphulika nje yambuza ekawo yavaya noma yasana amfithu kawo ubele wabamba mama swatapeka suya mfithu sorry twali ikhephi ithi labo siyavaya ngithola sifika stria Italian abo Italian sifika siquba abanye abantwana abayithu ngeke ngibashina amagama bayazazi sibacove ifili labo abantwana labo sifana Super 16 ayithi lapho busy khona isiya masingene busy khona feel ayabona vele ziyawa nala maziwa siyawa sithola lezi amahlasela ngithola yafika
singivalo
aya bese kuba ihlasela noma mfethu masesihlangene sonke mfethu abesibili sibo umphakathi papa yazi mfethu intwana zasimala phaka abesibaba bhayi inkwakho nje
so like iskim amanova in-Freedom Park boplo emahala park
yeah like bisimala park azikho izinto zokwemikasa ayisimala park sonke besiya ikasi izinto ezilinga ngasemafimini ngithola yeah mara sonke simala park
nonke nisendaweni
sindaweni one yeah cause ikasi enyihlala kule kasi nyili like masivaya vena no masivaya sibimjayivini yazi kutole yayikasi leziyazi yakala leziyazi yamala ngitho like bengekho maybe ngizoba yi1 if ngezi mthamo
so since like basakhuluma ngama fight nje like iskim sakho like ngene kwaba ne incident yokuthi like kube ne fight nawe ugcine sozitshela ukuthi ayabona into yenzeka Vandag amachita siwaphendulilwana ngaze ngayibona
ukabhaya probably
eshiti bebayithola induku
ukabhaya ngithola mara like obviously mfethu like ukukhula nje yabo yeah obviously isikhathi yazi mfethu ukukhulile ikasi mfethu
shawa ile
yabo le pressure ngithola yeah stage maqala
ungibekele like incident e1 like a fight namachita wakho la show ukuthi like amachita into yenze like thingibeke kanje ngithola like incident ke ya okhera bayenzakalani ukuthi nawo uzisole ukuthi enhleke wayesenjoying scheme because lezi zinto ezenzakala yi akusiyimi no
I like mfethu khona yawuthi mfethu like esayimura yabona into leyo ukuthi maybe school namachita yeah manje ukawa skipela igani ubusuku ngitho ngaba lento njani ukuthi ayazini mfethu ukawa waphethe lento obviously nasiphethe amakapera yesu kipela umuntu ophethe ikapera yabo I feel yazini ukawa mfethu ashivisa kanti ukawa mfethu uzobhayela after uma few weeks angene ekasti ile out ya mfethu sayimura njalo
keep up
ukawa like sayikhabatha like yabo like mfethu into engaboni ukuthi ayeke yazini ischeme like somehow mfethu like ish amasiye yabo elithina like masiqala lento liyasicalanga like the way noyenze ngoba sisitshela ukuthi nayo like yabo plus now yazi bekuney'nkathi lezi zama-FBN la ngithola yabo
nansi ngifuna ukuzithola
nathi sifuna ukusithola sisiphakathi yabo because back then mina before ngizovana nazo kawo bekuyimipantsula khaya ngithola like izinto like bencane upawu ngesikimeli yase-35 abo-VV abondawo yizo-ke bengisuka nazo e-primary ngathi masengizogapha upantsula ngacala ukufana nalezi lezi ngivana nazo
like yini wena kwenza ukuthi ushintshe from esipantsuleni to ubuvandala? It's like izinto ezithu lezi
it's different macala
ezidida abantu
sure like mfisu ngathini macala ifithu upantsula mfisu uyifatela yabo mara mfisu like izinto like ejardini ngale akayiphakamisile ukuthi mina ngiyipantsula nani ngithola feel mina ka upantsula that time ngibunqa yabo mara nami ngiyabona lezi mfisu engivana nazo isipantsuleni izinye zazo like izituning ezirong yabo like ngithola I feel nami ngabona ukuthi ayazini vele hayi ngono ngizibele yabo ivandala ngishaya istyle still because nanumfita ngisasokwawo just uva igazini
nothing nje ukuthi
isigazini
saphakeme ngaboni ngamajini isaphakeme kade nakanti since mzukani so njayami ikanje indaba le obviously moseskimini khona le kimzo ukuthi mova namajita ukukwazwa abantu khona lamajita ukuthini penywa ama-drugs like ezinye ziphuza kakhulu like wena yini into ke usikele wayenza kunezinto ezi-3 engizimentionile like nawe wabona ukuthi hayi ngisikele ngabheka like understand
sure
like yini wena usikele wayenza la
ayazi mfishi yazi ukuphatha mbethi ikapera
uphatha ikapera
because mfishi ngizinye zabobhuwami sozitshilile angeke ngizisho ngamagama la yamfitishi like izinto lezi bezenzeka nanoma mfishi like isenkwarini phela ubuyasi like sibabhaya mfishi like nathi siyazi ukuthi imeni power ikhona like yangibamba akekho umuntu ozosenza fokolo macala because ngipepeka besithi seqopha nezozo nosiqophe no so lezi like no macala
bevali
masithi yayivala besiyivala nje yami like yabona kusasa sesivuka sesola like abantwana yabo
so like awukazi waba involved indaba zama-drugs or something
like imacala isipana hayi macala ngaze ngafika like ngithola ngazama ukushaya into lizayo mara feel like benginazi impintshi like bezishaya yabo sozongitshelile ukuthi masengizoyekela ukuvana impintshi zami lezi amapantsula ezinye zazobe isidingo isidingo futhi izinye so ayuchiba kwami ukuvana lezi kanti ngizongena kwesinye scheme ngithola it's not like maybe bengijoin into scheme like ikini zokugijimisana hayi like enhle ngathi ngikuyitha kubukhala bo like ukukhula like ngiva kwini yazi lento nomngani siyabloma
siyacabana sibapha
injalo macala
so like wena wazi wathi
ama-drugs angazi macala ngafaka hayi ngeke bafithu nani nibhekelele nintwana ezincane bafithu mina ningakhuthaza ila mahotman wasekasileni namathathu agreen antshela ukuthi yini bafithu ama-drugs awekho green bafithu ngifela ngashaya ama-drugs don't do drugs bafithu
no to drugs ngithola bafithu so like inja yami indaba ikanje ngithola wena nescheme sakho since vele kuyischeme since phela ama-scheme kufana nokuthi somndeni so like bengiphanda kanjani ngifuna ukucala indlela zokubhekelana ukuthi omunye umjita sithi omunye umjita ushoda ngebhathu and uvana mina like bengimphandela kanjani bekhona ibhekele ukuthi if umacala ushoda nga something siyakwazi ukumphandela simtholele
like macala ngathini besikembula yabo like siyakembula like feel nathi like abomaulidi bayasifana and like bayakwazi ukuthi
benze sana
yabo nathi yakwazi ukutime maulidi ngiphandile iclipper nayo mawunklathe yabo ngithola like mariyazi mfethu nokugama mfethu like buba khona izinto masitha amachiti yabo da mfethu but then siyabona namachiti yazi singize grade
so like okay nje mangithi uphilile XP scheme uyiphethe nje
sure
So like asithi khona umuntu obhekelele manje mtholo so like lo muntu obhekelele naye usaqala indlela yescheme mtholo noma kuyischeme sana like mara usaqala ukujoin impilo yescheme no say like usekavana scheme yini into ongamtshela ukuthi into scheme into kanjena because like abantu ababhaya no ischeme into epopular kale konke umuntu seka scheming
ayazi mfisi advise ngayigama GBT ukuthi like akukho wrong ukuthi mfisi ube nescheme mara mfisi kumele ubheke ukuthi nawe like ischeme esinjani yabo like mfisi kumele avoid lento lezi like ntwana bakushayile asibaye simlandi ngithola ayifike kuyini bengizoyenzela amasiko bayangibona yangithola iJIV icala la mfisi like hayi bafitayo ayisibonile lezi maybe for example ezibonile intwana zavava iziyahlanya lezi intwana lezi mara yithi izinganya yabo kumele usichibe like kulezi izinto lezo macala ngithola like yangithola like mfisi akumelanga mfisi like uzibe nama fight lisi kuyaliwe emJIV wona mfisi balizi ihlezi igijima usumamasi litayo uhlezi ubambile yabo yazi way out if you come useskimini ubone ngathi ngezakho ziyaphethe emakasana mfisi if you shaya ipipe donsi pipe uphumene wana ngujini ushaya ipipe ngithola like ungagijima isithi zamafight amafight ayikho green ka igcini because like igcini ugcina sophila kanjani kabuhlungu asangeni vava umali kumile ubhayela umali ama PCs bila kasi awusayi yangithola athi awusakwazi nokujola ka ugreen ukuthi ubambe yabo
neza bafethu scheme is join ne mara like nawe bheke ukuthi ujoin ischeme esinjani because like sometimes uzozithola so join ischeme uzithola ukuthi uzifake emacaleni
yabo ematracksini urusifake etanya
in most cases bafethu like abantu abajoin ischeme abantu abadinga protection into ezinjalo abantu abashaya peer pressure so like mina into engizokutshela yona ezinhlezi ngisho ushaya peer pressure out yabo
peer pressure
yekela into ongana empethu like yikusempilweni obviously and the more ilanga lishona bafethu kumele ucabe no the more ilanga lishona isikhathi siyavala asimelanga umuntu and ungayenzi izinto ezokuthi at the end of the day uzogcina sozisola nje
vele hayi
so njani like ikanje indaba bafethu thini so khona le game engiphethe mthembu
sure nje
so le game ngibiza 21 questions la ngibuza ama questions a few vale la kubuza ama questions ngithola
sure
mara like ama questions adomo nje ngathini ngabeka kanje ama trick questions so like ungakwazi ukuwaphendula
yaza noma yini nje ngiyithola
afithi ngibone okay nayo qala nje yami have you ever got robbed
abakazi bangibamba nje
amina zikele zangibamba
zikeza kubamba nje
kabuhlungabi shuthi mangivela ngishangale ingcondo zokuthina hayi ngipantsule ngisho shaya number yacaba vele uma umjito wayekasi mafuna ukuvaja mpasi manza ngadothuka ngishaya number vele ngifuni ngithola bayilento yokubamba shithi mangidlula i-out A1 imile la mayimile sho ntwana yami ayivele ngiyabona nawe ezumjito zoba nalento yokuziqinisa ukuthi ebheka le ngishaya pomledlula okudlula kwami netsotsi yangilandela ivasi lo mangibheke emuva iyama izivasi siphathu hayi ngengqondo ngiyasho le yasho ngilahlile le ngisamile ngizwa ngama-flate mfethu kuvunduke amajita abo my 5 phambi kwami mangijike ngibheke emuva le yagama ngibheke emuva iyadonsa futhi sakhona bheka phambili ungangibheki hayibo khambani no ayafika ngiphethelele ukuphethelele kanjani ndoda ayizibeleze ezinye sezibesho vele ziyatapa ngithola nama angikholi ya sengushock no lento yenzeka kimi vele
isubari yadaleka
vele zathatha into ezithathayo vele ndabe ngiphethe ifoni ngiphethe imali nyana ngoma 3 tag imali escape zaphuma ngani ngenhlanhla ukuthi khona itumani beliploma ikasi lami
Ngicava.
elisicavayo ngiyangalitsheda ngiva endaweni kanje nakanje nakanje laya lithina ungasabi intwana yami
Ngiyosithola impilo.
kusasekuseni uvuka ungilande akuvele ngalulande khotman mazivuka leziya shithi leya mazivanayo ithini kimi abohleva balele manje abo 6 ekuseni abohleva balele manje sebakhathela ukuphanda siye ntwana yami amasifika vele sifike ngojenele ya ale amayifika idudula impama mpama amazi lomfana hayi angimazi lomfana nami sengiyaxene wena baba izolo uthini wena
Izolo jumpa.
papa awu bro thina intwana pheka ngifoni yakho imashile mara ngizokuphandela tshela intwana yami ibuye nini hayi intwana yakho ayibuye la ngabo ma3 ama ngibuyela la ngabo 3 ngithola sebangihlanganisela
Phela simnana.
ngiyabona sengiphethe elinye sengikwazi ukurelaxa nami
Mina ka obvious like benginceda ukuthi yabona ama slim boyfriend wabo kawaye ngiyazicava. Ngiyazicava ayithole nje.
yeah okay nangi topic like lebe ngihlezi ngibuza ama-cheat engiplomeni nayo asito hlangana noSomile nangi ngiyatext athi mfethu nayi 5 million ngihlala
5 minutes.
yeah
Yo.
wena ungenzani da
Hayi mfisa le phela ngingize ngitshela umhlaba wonke phasi ya. Uy.
feel like what's that one thing you did as a kid like boy shoot it dangerous like ngathi it dangerous anymore into yenze ezintwana encane be dangerous
Dangerous. Ala ka ukuthi
like ukuvavayo mina for example ngithola bengilezi mina bengakwazi ukuswima bengivana lezi swimmer khona lela ngisavaya safika uyiphethe iswimmers
yeah swimmers ya.
la ngafika iswimmers ngatonda like into mina engisho ukuthi like that's something I did as a kid that's dangerous and now what's that thing you did as a kid that's dangerous
Like ya kamina mfisitini ezibhaya intona ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu yakho yabo
ngene ma costume
mina ka like ngingachopela ka like emgodini
yebo
yabo bekasathuna amabhonda yabo la ngasegoza
yeah
obvious like bakubhile kanje ngamakhasi like
ngamalayini
like umalanda cede kunetha ka so maqede kunetha lenhlabathi yabayibekela phezulu ingene la lapha phakathi njaya
wachopela
kalinyiwa
washobo lokukhala
ngikhala ngisiza like abantu ka like abavayayo ngithola
abantu abasekhaya
yabuka ebusuku like ngisasentwana ngifaka inyawo edrainini
yeah
like ayisakwazi ukuphuma edrainini macala
like belistakile
istakile ulila ngimura ka rayela igala ngela ngene
ngilasho yakama nawuzwa kunini okay naye nje man
sure
what's the weirdest dream you ever had
like West Dream
weirdest like any weird for me na example nje mina ngingaphupha ngiwaka ngaphupha ngiwela it's not like bengwela phansi ngiwela phakathi emgodini omnyama
eka mina mfisu ngingaphupha like obvious like uyabo masakele masayiskele usana ukuvuka ngithi like maybe ubeke ivati
yeah usuphendulana
or maybe uvuke vi alami kuvusa sithi nizovuka maybe after 5 minutes macala mina ngingaphupha ka like ngiyavuka ngiyageza ngiphathu utsiphet nyavanye iskele
kantulele ngale
macala ngilele ka ngizongomali lazo azompopotele kanti awugezi ora uye iskele afanda mfethu ngiyabona shit
lapho phupha ugezile
macala ngezile ngithethe ukinto mfethu singesikele
like nine if you could travel to anywhere in a time machine what year would you choose and why like asithi kune time machine njani
sure
so like kune time machine yacaba vele time machine akwazi ubuyele emuva ngesikhathi or uye phambili ngesikhathi omuphi unyaka wena ongafuna ukubuyela and why
like mina ngafuna ukubuyela ku 2020 macala
why 2010
that's 2020 like angisastala like
lama god memories
yeah like ngithola like ish macala
I feel.
2020.
Nah, and if you could change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
Like ukuba nolawe ka.
Like ayithandi
Yeah.
Okay. What's one of the most fun childhood memories you've had?
I like ukudubulana ngama-toys ibhamu.
Ngokhuthana.
Ngikhuthana.
Yababa no.
Yangithola
Ukuba isikebe.
yangithola.
Like, if you could have dinner with a famous person, dead or living, who would it be? Answer le yona le bafethu. Obviously bafethu Park.
Yeah, phela. Upark phela urishebeshini. Aha.
What's your favorite movie to watch over and over again?
What's your movie?
Like my mama,
42 minutes. 42 minutes. This is Robbie Bentley. 42 minutes.
Like my mommy.
Or the shooters. Shooters. Yeah, shooters.
What's your favorite season of the
Sam.
Why?
Sam, I want to some of the tears.
Okay. Ganki tise wale, ganki taibo wale. Who's your celebrity crush?
Mau.
This guy is giving Shebe shit vibes. Nah, Wamuti Mau. What's your biggest fear?
Biggest fear?
Yeah.
A biggest fear I'm about 50 body sumu
Okay. What's the wildest thing you've ever done?
Ale perasi pass.
Pass. Okay. What's the best advice you've ever received?
Like if it's ukuthi ngelezi yabo ngidlalele fair like nabangana abapita ngidlalele fair kuma drugs yabo.
What's a bad habit that you've had but you have been able to overcome?
Bambinjira khalidu.
Habit le bonami.
Yeah.
Boyito ngijwayele yenza
ngiyathola ya.
Like so coachele no.
Like spare namsincane yabo. Yeah. Khalidu.
What's your dream road trip destination?
Like kawanja.
Like road trip like ngathini. Sithi siyazikhipha nje safari. Like when ungafuna seva sithi siyazikhipha.
Like sinibukubuku.
Sinibukubuku siphethe yonke manje.
Phela futhi Los Angeles California.
What's your favorite food of all time?
Nyama yenhlobo.
Why nyama? And like ucede ngekasi.
Yeah, futhi like like but then ufuna ukuzikhiphe ikasi. Yeah, futhi ikasi yenzondo. Ikasi ka.
Yeah, very ikasi.
Ikasi iqinile kawaii.
Timboni. What's your biggest regret?
Ishimonsala like abo like the video like bengiphika
regret. Okay, what's your favorite thing about yourself?
Uthi phela mfisa uyasithembe ngiyazimela yabo ngiyayikho enye inhlelo izongisa.
Ngiyazithemba.
Ngiyazithemba ngicala phela.
Okay, what's the weirdest thing in the closet? Pass. Okay. If you had to guess what people appreciate you the most, what would you say?
I would say like umuntu crazy.
Personality.
Yeah, personality like ngishama jokes yabo.
So ngicabanga ukuthi abantu bakuncanyelele.
Yeah, uyasiyazi bayazi ukuthi amanye kule ya mfethu ngizobuya ngilaha yabo.
What's your dream job?
Amacala like mfethu ngisho mfethu boy lezi ezeboard yacaba lezi board
Zama-board members.
yeah.
So ufuna ukuba i-businessman.
Yeah, I'm from by businessman ka yazi ne G4S.
Okay, ke mamela na. Le ngiyithanda ngithanda. If you could be a part of a family on any TV show, which family would you choose? Like kube yabona zonke le stories ezidlalayo ku TV. Like khona lo imindeni yabona khona imindeni different. Omuphi umndeni wena la? Like ubona ngathi lo ngawujoina ku TV show e1. Umndeni we1.
Yeah, ngicabanga ecava ini basi mandile man ishazi litoriza no
Isitori.
yeah isitori
Zidlala ba isitori sakhona.
besinokudlala la 163 sakale what's one Brutus
The queen.
yeah
Ungafuna ukubana leza kama Brutus. Okay. Of all the personal questions I could ask you, what's that one question you would want to answer?
like abo like lezi ngithe pass yabo uzwile lezi ngithe pass
Mara asibuse ngikhuluma like asithi mina nosibuzana ama question personal. Ukuthi why njamo wenza izinto ezikanje because khona i story behind njalo. So like eyiphi question personal ongabuza yena ungeke uziphendule.
like ukuthi ngisekile ngisikela
Ngeke uziphendule. Timbani. What's an activity that you don't find fun at all? I mean, rugby njalo. Abantu abadlala irugby bayahlala.
like mina kawilaba kawalaba uzokuthola like bajima labo bawayidiki bachula
Bachula
la music hayi
I understand. Okay, what's your favorite color to wear?
I want to play
Black. And alengathi kumele ngisikipa ukubuze njalo.
awabuza
What's your favorite type of dessert?
Mina phela fumekasi pass man
Pass for the hood, okay.
yeah
What's the worst lie you've ever told as a kid?
like ukuthi ngisiza ngo-roleplay
Like amang oke wena watshela umuntu sasendvaneni.
or like mina ngawatshela
Yeah,
umuntu
wabona talaka le yangiphekile le.
like ukuthi like ukuthi mawugwinya ichipisi uyafa
So we shaba tena leso
yeah
skill.
ngibatshela lesi skill
Timboni. Who in your family are you closest to?
I khotman lam kawya kwami
Footman.
yeah
And my last question. What's your favorite sport to play and why? There's a sport awuziyo.
mina ngisiphela mina sport sama manje
Traumatized. Okay, Bafethu, we have reached the end of it. So Bafethu, make sure you subscribe, you like, you hit the notification button so you can be notified next time we drop a video. So Bafethu niyazi, benivana njani, bengekho yiwani. Hlezi ngivana abantu abanqaya indaba ezimnandi. So on the comment section Bafethu, if khona abazishaye ngokuthi ngibe nenye episode nomjida ningakhomenta ngisho plus njalo abantu abafuna ukucontract abangakuthola kanjani
ngiyatholakala so bajilile kuma social media bafithu sithela nova bafithu sithela nova manje usearch sithela nova ngizongithola la
so Bafethu niyazi sivala kanjalo thanko is thank you asibonge.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when I drop a video, you'll be notified.